Mastering the art of custom letter logo design can transform a simple letter into a stunning piece of art. In this tutorial, I demonstrate how to create a beautiful logo using the letter R. By making strategic changes, cutting certain elements, and adding unique touches, I have completely revamped the letter's appearance. The result is a distinctive and captivating logo. Welcome to HLGRAPHICS. I'm Humera Lake, and today, we begin an exciting new project on my channel. Join me as we explore the art of custom letter logo design, transforming the letter R into a stunning and unique logo. Through strategic modifications, clever cuts, and creative additions, we'll turn a simple letter into a masterpiece. Finally, I'll present the logo with an excellent presentation, showcasing every detail to its fullest potential. Let's get started. To create a custom logo, I have chosen the letter R. And the font I have chosen is called Myriad Pro. This is a simple font that is downloaded for free. Change the letter R to create outlines. Then align it so that it is in the middle of the page. Erase the stem on the right side of the letter R with the help of the eraser tool. Now ungroup them. Now create an artwork with the pencil tool with this cutout part. See, you can do the same as I am doing. It's a wavy swirling artwork. You can also create a similar waving object to create a perfect swirl as you wish. Now we will work with two tools here. First, select the Direct Selection tool from the toolbar. This tool allows you to select and manipulate individual anchor points on your letters. Carefully click on the pointed parts of the letters and round them off by dragging the anchor points or adjusting the handles. This will help create a more polished and refined look for your typography. Next, select the Smooth tool. With this tool, you can smooth out the lines and curves of your letters. Gently drag the Smooth tool over the paths you want to refine. The tool will automatically adjust the anchor points and handles to create smoother, more flowing lines. This step is crucial for achieving a professional and elegant finish in your design. Now our design is complete. But we'll thicken it up a bit. For that we will go to Offset Path. And going there will increase its width a little. So now we will expand it. Take it, sir, our design is ready. Now let's move on to Photoshop. Finally, I have showcased this transformation with an excellent presentation, ensuring every detail is highlighted and appreciated.